This is nerve flossing. We're going to show you two different types. The first one is median nerve flossing. So median nerve flossing, all we're going to do is go ahead and turn our palm downward and towards the wall. So our fingertips are going to face the floor, our palm is going to be against the wall, and all we're going to do from here is lean the head into the arm and then lean the head away from the arm. You're going to feel tension all the way down, potentially even into the fingertips, when you lead your head away. This should be a very, very mild stretching feeling. If you're feeling any kind of extreme, intense, sharp, painful sensation, reduce the range of motion, move slower, or raise the arm up higher. That will all slack the nerve a bit. If you're not feeling anything, lower the arm further down the wall, lean away, and that should start to bring about a little bit of a mild sensation. This is the first floss you're going to do when you see nerve flossing in your program. The second one is called ulnar nerve flossing. For ulnar nerve flossing, we're going to go ahead and make the OK sign with our hand. Then from there, all we're going to do is go ahead and show them, Larry. We're going to turn our OK sign to make glasses. Good. So as we come up, we're rotating the wrist back and we're pushing the elbow forward so that you can see it. So go ahead, wrist back, elbow forward. This is ulnar nerve flossing. Just like median nerve flossing, you should feel a gentle stretching sensation in the elbow and potentially down to the fingers a bit. If it's intense, feel free to stop where you feel that intensity start to pick up, and that becomes your full range of motion. This is nerve flossing.